Hello, ladies and gentlemen. The issue I'd like to discuss with you today is paternity in Thailand, and in particular, the issue of legal paternity as it applies to a foreign father and a Thai mother. Now, in Thailand, the law is very straightforward. According to Thai law, if the couple is married at the time of the child's birth, the father automatically gets paternity, and both the mother and the father have equal parental rights. However, the situation becomes much more complicated if the father is not married to the mother. That's because Thailand law does not automatically recognize the paternity of a father who's not married to the mother. This is so even if the father's name is listed on the birth certificate as the father. What this means is that a father in Thailand, a foreign father, will generally have to move to the court to have an order that he is the father. Technically, it is possible to register at a government district office paternity. However, as a practical matter, district offices are reluctant to do this when the child is very young. Also, if there's a foreign father, they may be even more reluctant to do this. So as a matter of fact and practice, normally a district office will require a court order before they'll list a father and a foreign father as a father according to Thai law and on the official registry. Now, a foreign father may want to have his paternity established according to his own law. The most common reason for doing this is because if he's established as the legal father according to the law of his own country, his child will get the nationality of his own country. He may want to reside in his own country in the near future or at some future time, or he may want his child to have the benefits of nationality. Now, the important point is when he wants to register his paternity according to the law of his own country, the foreign father does not necessarily have to deal with the Thai legal system. This is because most nations have their own particular law as to what establishes legal paternity according to their legal system. They may or may not be concerned with the law of Thailand. Many Western nations do not require a lawful marriage to the mother for a father to be recognized as the legal father. Some countries only require a DNA test or some other putative documents that establish his paternity relationship. Often this can be done by the father by himself without the cooperation of the mother. Each embassy will have its own requirements. Now, there are basically two issues that come up when a person goes to their embassy to establish the nationality and paternity of his child. The first is establishing the basic fact of the child's nationality and the father's paternity. The second is the issuance of a passport. Now, the issuance of a passport is a different matter than the agreement or the conclusion that the child is a national of the father's country. That's because embassies do not want to get involved in child custody disputes. Therefore, most embassies will generally require that both the mother and the father appear at the embassy and authorize the issuance of a foreign passport to a child in Thailand before issuing a passport. That's all we have time for today. Thank you for watching.